Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Balyn. If you are new here, and if you're not, welcome back. I hope you're having a good day. I just went to the gym. I have a protein shake to prove it. I also did some shopping, got some things. If you guys want a haul, I haven't done one of those in a while, give this video a like. I'll make that next. But for today, we're gonna put some makeup on and unbox the new May BOXYCHARM box. This video is sponsored by BOXYCHARM, but I've been a user for such a long time. You can look back at my channel. I've done a lot of unboxings. If somehow you have never heard of BOXYCHARM, it is a monthly subscription service. It is $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and they usually equal over $100. I'm gonna go through everything and try on that's in my box, let you know how much everything is, and then the total cost of my box. So this is the starting face. I obviously already have brows, eyelash extensions, and a base on, but everything else we're going to try on right now. The first item in my box is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. This is $34 retail. First Aid Beauty is a brand sold at Sephora. I'm a little bit familiar with it, but this is a product I have never tried. I did use it this morning right after washing my face, and here you can see what my skin is really looking like. I should also mention I just had a facial yesterday. I had everything in my face extracted, and I had a peel done, so I'm sorry that my skin is kind of all over the place, but you know what? That happens. If you have breakouts or anything, do not feel shamed or like you shouldn't go out of the house without makeup on, because I do it all the time. And I show myself the internet like that, so please don't worry if you have breakouts. Next up, we have this Ciaté eye luster in Cupid. I have not even opened it yet, so let's see. It retails for $22. Ooh, oh, it's really pretty. Oh my god, wait, what? Wait, that's really pretty. It's like pink, light pink reflex, strong gold, but not like a light gold. All right, I'm gonna try it on my eyes without getting it on my eyelashes. It's kind of doing this thing where I put down product and then I go to blend it away and it gets patchy. Okay, this time I'm just gonna put it down and not blend it away and just let it dry for like 5 minutes. And here is the eye luster dry. I think going straight in with the wand is key. It looks a lot less patchy. You just have to wait for it to dry. I think this shade is so pretty with the pink and the gold. Like, I don't know, it's really pretty. Next up, we have the Alamar Blush Trio. It looks a little bit like this. Everything looks rather shimmery, which is, if you have skin texture, not your friend, but I'm gonna give it a go. This isn't something I would normally grab. This retails for $22. I'm gonna go in with the middle shade Pariso, light rose pink. Just going to press that. Okay, let's get a lot on. All right, I'm very surprised it's not bringing out a lot of skin texture, because in the pan, it looks very shimmery. Actually, like very natural and very pleasing and nice on the skin. Next up, let me open it. I got this pure holographic rainbow eyelash curler. This is something that, like, I've been using the same eyelash curler for probably a year. I think it's been a year. And like, I never really want to buy a new one unless it breaks. I just kind of buy the new little rubber things. But it's nice now to have a backup one, and this one's like way prettier than mine. Very last inside my box, but definitely not least, is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Kiss of Fire. This retails for $18, and I am so excited to use this. I don't think I've ever used anything from Dose before, and I'm pretty sure this is the brand that Desi and Katie did their collaboration with, and I feel like it's always sold out, and I never knew what else to try from this brand, so here we go. This is a bright lip. I don't know if I should have went in on the blush like that with the pink eyeshadow, but we're about to look crazy. I feel like I've been looking crazy in every video recently, but let's do it. All right, what do you guys think? Could you imagine if I just left it like that? Okay, first impressions, I have to say the wand is a little difficult to use. It reminds me of the Jeffree Star wand, and for some reason it's just too like big and soft and fluffy. I'm just not used to it, so I always have a little bit of trouble with it. I'm definitely more of a NARS, I think the Pomegranate Power Matte liquid lipstick is what it's called. They have like a very firm brush, and it's just like really easy to get sharp corners. I feel like if I was blonde and I did like a cat eye, this would look dope, but like There's a lot going on right now. And that is everything. I hope that you enjoyed having a little peek inside my box. Let me know if you guys are subscribers too and what you guys got inside your box in the comments down below. I hope that you guys like this video, and let me know if you want that haul, because I feel like I was doing a lot of hauls and then I just kind of stopped. And are you guys into me stopping, or do you want more? Because I love doing hauls. Okay, I'm gonna go stop rambling and edit this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Bye!